All right, guys, so now you can go ahead and flip over to the next page. Page 441, we're going to do the guided problem solving, which is question number 1. So, same kind of situation, except we're going to be subtracting as our last step as opposed to adding like we did in the last example. So number 1 says the regular price of a package of white paper is $28. A package of colored paper costs $35. If Mike buys 6 packages of white paper instead of colored paper, how much money will he save? So we're going to set it up the same exact way. $28 for white paper, and he buys 6 packages of them. All right, so your first step is going to be to multiply these ones. So if you multiply 6 by 8, you're going to get 48. Your 8 goes in the ones place. Your 4 is carried up top. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 4 equals 16. So 168, this is for the white paper. Now let's go ahead and do colored paper. Colored paper was $35, and he bought 6 packages of that. So let's go ahead and do our math. 6 times 5, that's 30. Our 0 is going to be in the ones place. 3 is going to be carried up top. And then if you multiply 6 times 3 diagonally, that's 18. Plus 3 is 21. So like I said, we're going to do it a little different. We're going to go ahead and subtract. So when you subtract, your bigger number has to go on the top. So out of these two numbers, the bigger number is 210, and our smaller number is 168. So we can't take 0 from 8. We're going to go ahead and have to borrow from our tens place. This is now going to become a 0, and our ones place is going to become a 10. So 10 subtracted by 8 is 2. Moving over to our tens place. Once again, we can't take 0 from 6, so we're going to have to borrow. This 2 becomes a 1, and this 0 becomes a 10. 10 subtracted by 6 equals 4. 1 subtracted by 1 is 0. So the total amount of money he saved is $48. $42. So you're going to go ahead and you can look at this on guided problem solving number 1. If you guys need more practice, you're more than welcome to go down on page 441, and it says independent problem solving. That's completely up to you guys if you want more practice. If you feel confident and you're ready to move on, we're actually going to go ahead and direct you to your homework packets. Now, it's going to be a little different. I know you guys are used to working out of your 1-inch binder. To kind of relieve you guys of a little too much work, what we decided is we're going to go ahead and just assign you the homework packet. You're still going to be reviewing the same information, but you're just going to have it in the homework packet that you guys are used to doing at home already. So this is going to be the last page of your guys' chapter 20 homework packet, okay? So this is the page you guys will do, and then you guys will also take a look at the problem solving on the back as well. So when you guys are finished with this, please remember to have your parents take a picture or scan or whatever is easiest and send them to your teachers. So whether it's myself, whether it's Mrs. Turk, or whether it's Mrs. Beaver, please make sure to get these as soon as you guys can so that we can go ahead and grade them for you guys, okay? Thanks for coming in, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.